Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will be showing you how to solve copyright issue on TikTok. So there are a few reasons why you encounter this problem. First is that TikTok found the matching song in their own library, or someone has submitted or someone claimed a copyright on your music. So the very first thing you should do here is to contact the owner of the music and ask a permission if you can use his or her music. Number two, how to resolve this copyright problem is you can upload the music again without the song, or try to replace it with a song that is not copyrighted. Number three, or the very last thing to do here, is you have to open your or launch your TikTok application. And then this time you have to tap this three lines at the top right corner. Click Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, you have to click Account and then tap this Switch to Business Account. But this time, you have to switch this to Personal Account. So if you're using the business account, you have to choose or you have to switch this to Personal Account. Okay, and then after you have switched to personal account, then you can go back and then try to upload a song and see if this method solves the copyright issue problem on TikTok. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next videos.